Mascara on my pillow, phone screen blowing up like fireworks. Practice till the sun dips out of the frame. Same stage, but I'm not the same girl. Snap back, every rumor like an echo. Flash bulbs trying to catch me out of breath. They say, careful what you wish for. I say, I'm not even finished yet. Heart beating loud like a kick drum. Spotlight burning my name. If they only knew where it came from, they never talk the same. This is what it sounds like when I don't back down. When I turn my fears into something loud. Hammering, turn my game, be shining like a crown tonight. Yeah, this is what it sounds like. This is what it sounds like when I'm alive. Stage lights, painting halos on my bruises. Tight throat, but I still hit that note. Side eyes try to read me like a headline. Wrong font, they don't get the real quote. One shot and the silence right before it. Deep breath, hear the tremble in my chest. Some fall when the pressure keeps on climbing. I rise higher than they expect. Heart beating loud like a kick drum. Every doubt in my way. If they only knew what I've gone through, they'd move out of my lane. This is what it sounds like when I don't back down. When I turn my fears into something loud. Every cut they gave me shining like a crown tonight. Yeah, this is what it sounds like. This is what it sounds like when I'm alive. They call me fragile, try to bend me till I break. But I'm made of scars and starlight, more than they can take. Hands up for the kids who never fit in. Sing out, let them hear your battle cry. Right now, every too much they've been throwing hits me, turns into my replay.